Lacazette's flick. It's Aubameyang, the beneficiary.
What's going on, my YouTube friends and family? It's a Military Guna back at you live. Now, this is my preview of the Newcastle versus Arsenal, Arsenal versus Newcastle. Now, first, I want to make a shout out to my WhatsApp friends from the WhatsApp group chat. Arsenal My Jug group chat. Also, the Invincibles and Arsenal official group. Big up you guys. Big up. Thank you for the support. Now, you guys asked me for the preview, and this is my preview. Now, the match is on Sunday, 16th of February, at the Emirates Stadium. Referee Lee Mason. We already know that Arsenal has no luck with none of the English referees, but we have to carry on in just the same manner. Now, if you should look at the table, you realize that Arsenal is in 10th position on 31 points. And we've played 25 games and only scored 32 goals. That is not good. That is not the Arsenal standard. And we all know that. With the front three attacking lineup that we have, we should have never been so far behind in the area of goal scoring. Also, in the middle of the season, at a -2 goal difference. That's not the Arsenal standard. Newcastle is at 12th position with the same amount of points at 31, with over a -12 goal difference. In the sense of Newcastle, that would be expected, but not in Arsenal's case. Now, we have a strong fight going back to top 4. Arteta already said it, that he's not writing off top 4 because that's a strong possibility, even though it's not likely, and many fans already wrote it off, but we'll see how best we can do it. We can do that. We know that Arsenal will have to find a good momentum, picking up maybe 3-4 wins straight before we meet Liverpool. I think it's the 49th game that Liverpool will be playing to beat our record. And you know we can't allow Liverpool to beat our record. Alright, so now, recent form, last 5 matches we played, Arsenal has won 1 and draw 4. That is not good. We've been consistently drawing matches. Now we've been known famous Draw FC. But anyways, Newcastle had 2 wins and 3 draws, which is better than our current form. We have to agree with that. So our previous 5 meetings, Arsenal won 4, Newcastle won just 1 of them. So by stats alone, it will show that we have an advantage going into the game, especially the fact that we're at home. Now, our last match we played was last September under Unai Emery, where Aubameyang got the only goal of the game. It was a 1-0 victory. And if I can remember good, the referee was Mike Dean. If not a sure, but and just to give you some statistics from that match, we had 64 possession, a total shots of 7, and only 2 on target. Now, going back to when we just finished all our transfers, we were the team who were saying we have the best transfer window. Also, we were moving forward. We could see progression. But we collapsed, and everyone knew that we collapsed. We started off this season good. When we beat Newcastle, and we were saying that, okay, this ought to be a good season. This ought to be a very good season. But Unai Emery just rolled back everything and just collapsed the entire season. Now, under the regime of Mikel Arteta, we can see progress, we can see ourselves moving forward. But this match is a must-win match, a must-win match. Now, my predicted lineup would go like this. I would have Lennon in goal. That is a guaranteed must. On the right, we would have Bellerin at right back. Now, undisclosed rumor has it that Pablo Mari will be starting coming Sunday. Undisclosed rumor. Now, I hope to see him on the left side and also David Luiz on the right. Left back, Kolasinac will be back. The Tank himself will be back and will be appreciated if he comes and give us a good game just before he went off an injury. In the midfield, A double pivot of Xhaka, Torreira. Those are the best. They are the best pivot we have in the team so far. Now, I believe I will play Pepe on the right because games like these, we need someone to hold up the ball. We need an outlet. And Nicolas Pepe is a good outlet. We can hopefully see something coming from him in this match. Something miraculous like he did in the Manchester United game. Pray and hope. Now, Ozil is always good at home, and we can hope that he comes back in the team fully fit and ready to go. He's not my first choice because preferably I played Danny Ceballos in that position because he has more energy and he's more likely to score a goal, in which we need a goal from the midfield, the middle of the park. Now on the left side, this is where the controversy would start because I preferably would play Martinelli. I would play Martinelli. We need his pace, his hunger, his determination. He's young, he's agile, and he's hungry to reap success. On the center of the park, I would definitely play Aubameyang because he is the goal scoring machine. In weather, out of weather, whichever time he gets his scores, in season, out season, it doesn't matter to him. He just scores goals. He's a goal machine. For this purpose, I will bench Lacazette and let him come on, maybe 60 minutes or so.